Hey YouTube, and today I'm going to be doing another speed drawing video. Now, this speed drawing video, I'm going to be drawing Slashe Bird. If you don't know who Slashe Bird is, it is this guy right here. Now, I wanted to draw this mainly because after listening to the Angry Space Slash theme, I actually really liked it. At first, I wasn't really used to it at all, but after listening to it couple more times, I actually liked it. So yeah, I'm gonna be drawing Slashe Bird. I hope this actually goes well. I don't know why I'm holding Stella. Alright, there we go. So yeah, I'm gonna be drawing Slashe Bird. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing the same drawing technique as I've been doing. I haven't gotten any new pens yet, but yeah, let's do this.